I'm back. Yes, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I just did another scan with the thresholds at minimum. Now, let me just show you what the range is. So I push and hold bandwidth, and then now I can change these numbers. Whoops, gotta do it fast. Okay. Well, yeah. So this is signal strength, and I got to be quick. Oh, it's still on there. I can only go down to 8, and I can go up to way up. Holy cow! I could go up to 50. So the range on signal strength is 8 to 50. Now let me push and hold again, and then we'll check the other number, which is the signal to noise ratio, and it was, whoops, I was too slow. Gotta be quick. Okay, it goes down to 1, and it goes up to 30. The range is 1 to 30. So there's a pretty big range that you can change those numbers. Now, what I don't know is once you change them, does it affect manual tuning? I don't know, because in the radio's manual, this is just talking about changing it for ATS. I set both of them to minimum. I did another scan, and I came up with 90 signals. Now, the most I got before, when I had it about mid-range, was I got 50. So I got 90 signals, of which there were 85 stations. Now, many of them were extremely weak, and I had to kind of listen for a few seconds for them to get up high enough strength so I could hear them. That's the other thing about ATS. As it's scanning, these signals, especially the weak ones, are going up and down, up and down. So it might miss one that if you did another scan a few minutes later, it would catch. So keep that in mind. But I like this feature of being able to turn up the sensitivity of the scan so you can find more stations. And it turns out on the few scans I didn't find many stations or signals that were just noise. Now, one of the reasons that is because when you do, oops, I kicked the camera, I guess I'm done. When you do a normal scan, it scans only the international broadcast bands. It doesn't scan all of shortwave. I wish it had that feature, and I understand why radios that don't have AC power do that, so that you don't run the battery down. Because even doing just the international broadcast band scan, it takes 10 to 15 minutes. And then the other one is you can do a scan of only the amateur radio bands. So that's pretty cool. Again, I would like the feature so you could scan all of shortwave and just start it and let it go. You're going to get a lot of noise, a lot of data signals. Yeah, I understand that. But just be nice to have that feature. Anyway, thanks for looking at my shows. Oh, the excitement is just getting to me. I love this radio. Thanks for watching my shows. Have a great day. Bye-bye.